Welcome, my good people. Good morning, good evening. It depends where you're watching this video from. I go by the name Nancy Nay. Kindly, if you are new in this channel, kindly, for heaven's sake, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm road to 1,000 subscriber. And guys, thank you for those my returning subscriber. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my video. I don't take this chance for granted. Let me come back and say thank you very much. And for the new subscriber, for the new viewers, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. On today's video, it's about village lifestyle, guys. As you can see, this is the village here in Nyabohansa in Kenya. So guys, you can see this is the village. This is how village looks like. It's always green. Everywhere in the village, it's always green. This is where we get we get our food from. So guys, as you can see, this is the hen. Yes, here's the hen and the chicken. So they are feeding. So guys, on today's video, I want to show you a village home tour. So first, here in the village, we have what we call a compound. You must have what we have a compound. So there, as you can see there's the main gate, though we don't have the main gate. This is the main gate here in the village. So yes, this is our main gate where in the future, God willing, when God has decided it's time to build, this is where we're gonna put our gate here. And as you can see, this is our fence. This one, yeah, this is our fence. This is where it shows the where your land starts from. So here in the village, people fence using what we call this type of flowers. This is normal here in the village. This type of flowers is where people use it to fence. We don't use blocks, but we use flowers here to fence. As you can see, this is another fence, guys. So coming here, this is the block, the wall of the main compound. So guys, come with me as I show you the village lifestyle here. So this is the door. We use what we call wooden door. This is the wooden door, and this one is our where we close for the security purposes. Yes, guys. So guys, as you can see, this is the whole compound, the way it is, and compound. Guys, this is the whole compound here in the village. Come, I show you. So this is the first door. This is my brother first door. This is where he sleeps. So for the security purpose, I'm not going to enter inside until he give me that authority. So the next thing, this is another door. It's so small in size. So here we put chicken. So you can see, and it acts like a storeroom sometimes. This is where you keep your chicken for the security purposes, so that they cannot be eaten by birds. You know, in the village there are some birds which eat chicken. I know this chicken is very harmful for now because it protects the chicken. Yes, guys. So guys, come with me. This is this is the window, what we call the window here in the village. We don't have, let me close so that it so this is the window. This is the village window. We don't have that modern window here in the village. This is the window that we use. And here, this is the door. This is another home. So for the security purposes, I'm not going to enter inside. So, and this look at these flowers. The flowers are amazing. So here in the village we have what we call flowers. These flowers, they help us they help us they they attract what we call the compound. They give that the compound a good look, guys, as you can see. So this is the main door. This is the main door, the sitting room. This is the main door where any visitors who come here, this is the first place he enters before he enters to these other rooms. So for the security purposes, all guys, I will go in my next video. You can go and watch where I'm going to show you a house tour. So guys, as you come here, this is our stand here in the village. This is the local stand. Let me use that name. So this is where we wash. If you wash utensils, you put here to dry for some time. And after drying it, you can take it in the house. This is how it looks like. So guys, here in the village we don't have what we call tap. We use what we call a borehole. This is a borehole where people fetch water from. This is a borehole where people fetch water from. This is a borehole where we don't use taps. We use a borehole in the village. So this is the village where we use where we get our source of water. And this one is it's a wall, guys. It's fence for security purposes. In each and every place you must have a security. So this one, it helps us for the security purposes, because here we have what we call cows. So we protect our cows. And here, guys, we have our shading what? This is our shade. So when the sun is too hot, this is where we bask. And this one is our sitting areas, guys. This is our luxury life, as you can see. This is what we can afford here in the village, guys. What do you think in the comment section, guys? This is where we have our luxury life. There in the city, you guys have a good place to sit. So this is where, after you have done your work, your morning routine, after you have done, so this is where you can come and rest. So guys, another place is here where you can come and rest. And this is what we call uter. This is in the village. Every woman must have this. This is where we use when you go to the garden. You plug your leaves. This is where you put your leaves. So guys, this is our bathroom, guys. And here in the village we use what we have. So this is our bathroom, and it's a very, very simple bathroom, guys. So this is our bathroom where we take our shower. And here, guys, this is our kitchen. Maybe you there in the city, you have your modern kitchen in the house. So as we have an outdoor kitchen, and this is our kitchen. Let me open it. This is how our kitchen looks like, although I'm not sure whether it's that clear, guys. This is how our kitchen looks like. It's a simple kitchen. So guys, yes, I think I'm done with everything. So guys, watch my next video, as I'm going to show you a house tour here in the village. Thank you, guys.
Umekuwa 1 minute.